guys, welcome back to ECE TechNest. In this lecture, we will be discussing about the adjacency, connectivity, regions and boundaries. So the first type of adjacency is four-adjacency, in which we have two pixels P and Q with the values from V. V is a set which is or a binary image which has the value 1 and are four adjacent if Q values are present in the set P. And in 8 adjacency, it has 2 pixels P and Q with values from V are 8 adjacent with Q and is also present in the set P. Whereas in M adjacency, it is a combination of 4 adjacency as well as the 8 adjacency. It is also called as the mixed adjacency. And the 2 pixels P and Q with values from V are M adjacent if Q is present in the 4 adjacency of P as well as in the 8 adjacency of P. So here we'll look into an example. So here you can see this is the set that is given to us, or the pixel values that is given to us. There will be 2 points that will be given, that is the start and destination point, and here you can see the center value, that is 1. The pixel 1 has its 8 adjacency neighbors as 1 and 1. Along with that, in 4 adjacency, it is only the horizontal or the vertical elements that is considered to be adjacent, whereas in 8 adjacency, it is the diagonal elements that is considered. And in case of M adjacency, the 4 adjacency is given highest priority. Now we'll look into the problem. So here this is the question. Consider the two image subset S1 and S2 as shown in the following figure A. This is the figure A, and here you have to find out if the two subsets given are the two subsets S1 and S2 given are 4 adjacent or 8 adjacent or M adjacent. So the points given here, this point is P and this point is Q. We have to find the 4 adjacency first. Let's consider these points in terms of alphabets. So considering the point P to be point G here, and you can see G has 4 adjacent as F, C, H and K, whereas it has the 8 adjacent points as B, D, J and L. So this is what is explained by writing it in the form of a set. N4 of G equal to C, F, K and H, and N8 of G is equal to B, D, J and L. And the M adjacent is the combination of or addition of 4 adjacency as well as 8 adjacency. So we'll look into this problem. Let V is equal to 0, 1 and compute the length of the shortest 4, 8 and M path adjacency between the P and Q values. If a particular value does not exist between these points, explain why. And the B part of the same question is repeat the same for V is equal to 1, 2. So here you can see there are 2 points P and Q that is being given in the question. You have to find the shortest path between P and Q. So first, let's consider the 4 adjacency of P. 4 adjacent points of P would be 1 and 0. You have to also keep in mind whether the points 1 and 0 are present in the subset, that is V is equal to 0, 1. If it's not present in the subset, we cannot consider it. Next is 4 adjacency of Q. 4 adjacency of Q, that is the value 1 has 4 adjacency as its points 2 and 2. And 8 adjacency of P. In 8 adjacency of P, you have to consider the diagonal elements. Here the 8 adjacent points would be 1 for 1 would be 2, and for q it would be 0 as the diagonal element is 0. And in M adjacent you have to consider the combination of both 4 adjacent as well as 8 adjacents. So now we'll look into the 4 adjacency path that is present in between this. Now, as of now, we have taken only the individual paths. Now we'll try to create a permanent path that will exist between P and Q using M adjacent. So you have to keep in mind the set values or the points that you consider for the path should only have 0 and 1, and no other value should be present. See, here there is connection between 1 and 0. We are using 4 adjacency here. Next between 0 and 1. Next between 1 and 1. Next between 1 and 0. And the last path would be from 0 to 1, but this does not belong to 4 adjacency. Therefore, no 4 adjacency path exists between P and Q, as here there is no values such as 0 or 1. The values present here are 2, and you have to use 8 adjacency here. That's why 4 adjacency path does not exist between the points P and Q. Next we'll look into if 8 adjacency path is present between P and Q. Here we map from 1 to 0, 0 to 1. We can consider diagonal element mapping in 8 adjacency, then 1 to 0, then 0 to 1. Now you have to count the length 1, 2, 3 and 4, and hence 8 adjacency exists between the point P and Q. Now we'll look into the M adjacency path. To find out M adjacency path, we have to consider both 4 adjacency as well as the 8 adjacency. Here first we consider 4 adjacency, and here we have 2 paths to travel further. That is, we can directly move through 8 adjacency to point 1, that is the pixel 1, or we can use 2 paths extra, that is using 4 adjacency, and then reach the point. As in M adjacency, the 4 adjacency path has highest priority. We will choose the 4 adjacency path and eliminate this. We'll eliminate this 8 adjacency path and then continue with 4 adjacency. Here also we will again use 4 adjacency, and for connection between 0 and 1 we will use 8 adjacency, and hence the final value of the path or the length of the path would be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And hence there are 2 types of adjacency that is existing between points P and Q. 4 adjacency does not exist between points P and Q. 8 adjacency exists with a length of 4, and M adjacency exists with a length of 5. So this is how you solve this problem. The second part would be, we'll consider the set V is equal to 1, 2. You can look into the solution in detail that is written here. The main thing to remember in mind is, if M path adjacency you are using, then you have to give highest preference to the 4 path adjacency. No matter the length increases, length of the path increases, but you have to consider 4 path adjacency as the first priority in case of M path adjacency. Next we'll solve the part B problem. To start with, we have to consider the set V is equal to 1, 2, and now we'll first start with the 4 adjacency. 1 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 2, 2 to 1, 1 to 2, and 2 to 1. There are other ways or paths to solve this problem. Let me change the color and show you. So you can travel from 1 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 1, 1 to 1, 2 to 1, and 2 to 1. So let's calculate the path value or the length of the path. For the purple color, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So its value is 6. And for the orange path, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Both the path values are 6, so you can consider any one of the path. If the path value is less in any one of the chosen path, if you have multiple paths from source to destination point, you can consider the length of the path having the shortest value. Next, 4 adjacency exists in this case of v is equal to 1, 2 with a path value of 6. Next, we'll solve the 8 adjacency. I'll show you here. So for 8 adjacency, it is directly from 1 to 2, 2 to 1, 1 to 2, and 2 to 1, and hence the length value is 4. We'll discuss further problems in the next video. Thank you.